Hi, my name is Weronika Salach. I'm an illustrator and surface pattern designer based in Berlin, Germany. I've been using Affinity Designer for iPad mainly to create seamless repeat patterns. I use those patterns to print them out on fabrics, on stationery, and on home goods. And all of my patterns are built out of vector assets. Assets are design elements that you can create one time, save them to your library, and keep reusing them across all of your projects. They save you a lot of time and they can really help you create vector designs full of details. Together, me and you are going to go through this course and create beautiful hand-drawn vector assets in Affinity Designer on the iPad. During this course, I'm going to show you how to use the most important vector tools in Designer and how to create multi-layered vector assets in bulk. You will need your iPad and any version of Affinity Designer. We will start with getting to know Affinity Designer interface, version 1 and version 2, setting up our project and our document, as well as creating presets and working on multiple artboards. We will get very familiar with the pencil tool, which will allow us to create beautiful vector assets that have this hand-drawn feeling. We will explore stroke and fill, brush stabilization, the sculpt mode, clipping masks, and blend modes. I will also show you the knife tool, which is only available in Affinity version 2. And most importantly, I will teach you everything I know about the Asset Studio, how to layer and group your vector assets, and how to organize them in your assets library in an efficient way. Ready to take your vector skills to the next level? Let's get started.